In this lesson, we're going to learn about the letter Y, what it looks like, and the sound that it represents. So this is an uppercase Y. When I look at it, I see two diagonal lines and then a straight line down. So when we write it, we do diagonal, we pick up our pencil, diagonal, down. Let's try it together. Diagonal, diagonal, down. That's an uppercase Y. Here's a lowercase y. It looks quite similar, but instead of the line being straight down, the diagonal just keeps going. So it's just two diagonal lines. So we have diagonal, diagonal. That is a lowercase y. The second diagonal line goes a lot farther down. Do you see that? Let's try skywriting it together. Diagonal, and then a longer one. Diagonal. That's a lowercase y. Is this a Y? Yes or no? No. This is a lowercase v. If it was a Y, we would have, if it was uppercase, we would have a straight line down. And if it was lowercase, we'd have the diagonal keep going. This one, the diagonal lines are the same height, so that's just a V. Is this a Y? Yes or no? It is. This is a lowercase y because it has one diagonal and then a long diagonal. That's a lowercase y. Is this a Y? Yes or no? This is a W. This is not a Y. It has all those diagonal lines, but it doesn't have the lines that make it a Y. Here's how you could make a Y with your body. It's kind of exciting. This kid looks so happy to be making it. You can make your arms the diagonal lines, and then the rest of your body is that straight line down to make a Y. Now, when we're making the sound for Y, this letter is tricky, seriously tricky, because the name of the letter doesn't really sound like the sound it represents. Remember, the letter is Y, but the sound it represents is Y. Y. Totally sounds different, right? So we really have to work hard to remember this one. This is the letter Y. The sound it represents is Y. So we have to open our mouths, kind of like you're doing a little bit of a smile. And then you make the sound from the back of your throat. Y. 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 You try. Y. So remember, the letter is Y, but the sound it represents is Y that we're learning today. So that's a little bit tricky. We'll keep practicing this hard letter and sound. Here's our uppercase and our lowercase y. This lowercase y looks a little bit different. Sometimes people can write them differently. So I notice it's a diagonal, and then the diagonal keeps going. It's got a little curve. That's also another way to write a lowercase y. So let's see what we have that starts with y. Do you know what this is? This is a yo-yo. That starts with y. It has a lot of y sounds in it. Yo-yo starts with the letter Y. Ooh, this is one of my favorite foods. Do you ever eat this? This is yogurt. That starts with the letter Y and makes the y sound in this word. That's the sound that this letter represents. Do you see what this person is doing? Yawn. That starts with y and the letter Y. This is one of my favorite activities. Do you know what this is? This is yoga. And here's our card. Our card goes like this. Y, yellow, y. Y, yellow, y. So remember, this letter is a tricky one because the name of the letter is Y, but the sound we're learning today it can represent is y, like yellow. Let's try it again. Y, yellow, y. And here's Y in sign language. It kind of looks like an uppercase Y to me. I see the diagonal from one finger, the diagonal from another finger, and then if you go down to your wrist, that's the line that's up and down. So the way we do this is with our thumb up and our pinky up and the other fingers down. So this is the letter Y. Y, yellow, y. In sign language, this is how we do the letter Y. And now you have finished your lesson. You can identify the letter Y. You know what it looks like, uppercase and lowercase, and you know it can represent the sound Y. Keep practicing. You're doing such awesome work. I'm so proud of you. Love you.